Hello, I'm David from The Electric Way, and I'm here to talk to you about what to do if there's a lot of outlets not working in your house. Sometimes it's as simple as resetting the breaker, but sometimes you might not know how to reset the breaker. So, come on in a little closer. Okay. This is a typical panel. Right now, these breakers are in the trip position. Sometimes they get stuck in the on position, which is all the way to the inside of the panel. Sometimes they don't trip to the middle like this one is. Regardless of what happens, if you need to reset the breaker, you push it all the way to the outside of the panel, which is that way on this side, and that way on this side. Then turn it back on. You'll hear us semi-click, then you know that it actually is resetting. Once again, this guy's tripped, he won't hold over there. You press it all the way off and then turn it all the way back on, and then you're all set. If you have any other issues further than that, you might want to give us a call. There's also all different types of breakers, but they all work the same. There's even these fancy button ones. They all work the same. That's the middle. You turn it off, on, off, on. They all same principle. And if this is something that even you want to call and see, you forget, you can call us up, we can walk it over the phone. Some breakers even have cool colors. But it's as simple as that if you don't have power to a certain portion of your house. And that's everything. 719-231-7249 if you have any more questions. David with The Electric Way.